It is Wednesday, March 30th, 2016. It has been raining off and on all day yesterday. Car has been in the driveway. This is the 2016 Honda Pilot that was purchased December 2015. It's had 3 attempts to repair a tailgate that holds water, leaks water into the car cabin, and those 2 have pretty much been fixed. However, it still holds water between the window and the car body, that rear window. I'm going to open the car door and see if any of that rain stuff, so it basically gets trapped in here and comes out on the sides. So let's try that. The car's totally dry, and there's where it comes out. So it's still not watertight. Specifically, it holds water in here.